Investors and traders, welcome to the channel Market Chart Pattern. Today is 26th of December 2023, and I hope everyone had a fantastic weekend and enjoyed Christmas festivities for the subscribers who celebrate. So today is actually a holiday in certain parts of the world. And certain markets are closed. So, for example, in the United Kingdom, it's Boxing Day. I believe in Canada, it's also Boxing Day, so the markets were probably closed. In the United Kingdom, the markets are closed today. And in the United States, the markets are actually open. So we are going to take a look at the markets, the key markets that we follow, and how the markets are doing versus our levels that we have identified in advance per the pattern formation. So this is going to be a shorter video today. This video is for educational purposes only and is not a financial advice. So what we are looking at is the daily chart of the S&P 500, and what we have identified is this ABCD one-to-one price projection, which could in fact see the index trade to 4,900 and maybe as high as 4910. It hasn't taken out the highs from 2022, so January 2022. It hasn't done that yet, but these are the levels that we're watching. However, in the futures market, so if you look at the ES, which is the futures market, something interesting did happen today, and what it is doing is that it is trading at levels that we have not seen before. So it did take out the high coming in from the 4th of January 2022. So we do have some higher levels for the S&P 500 futures, the S&P 500 E-mini futures. So a 1.618 expansion of this swing could see the index, this market trade as high as 4940. And then we also have a bigger price projection around 4975. So in that region, there's a possibility the market could get it to. However, this level, we are watching this, which is the all-time high from a year ago. And this is where the market is trading right now. Now let's take a look at the EMini NASDAQ 100 E-mini futures. The market is actually, after blowing above the level of 1.272, the next key level we were looking for is 17,250, which is the 1.618 expansion of this swing low here, this one. A market seems to be approaching that. Let's take a look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average. This is the daily chart, EMini Dow Jones Futures. One thing which we were looking at in our previous video is this key pattern of which is identified as ABCD one-to-one price projection. So the market is getting pretty close to that level. In fact, the 1.618 expansion of this entire move, the market has already reached that level, and in fact, when it did that last Wednesday on 20th of December 2023, we had a pretty significant move lower, and the market has pretty much retraced all of that in 3 trading days. But we are watching for this level of 38,160, which will be completing this bigger ABCD price projection pattern. So again, something that we are really watching carefully as other markets also approach the expansion levels and the key pattern formation levels that we just had a look at. So some markets are more advanced in the sense they are reaching those levels earlier because they might be stronger or there's more activity. Look at this move in this market from the end of October, 27th of October 2023. It's just fantastic. It's just amazing. And look, it's just a fantastic amazing things to see. Then let's take a look at the Russell 2000. Here we go, and the Russell 2000, this is the daily chart. It's a little bit messy, unfortunately, and this one had been trading in a long-term range for a long time, and now it's just seems to be breaking out of this range after testing it one time, two times, three times, and same goes for the bottom of the range one time, and there was another time it came pretty close but not close enough, and then the second time here, so it built up enough energy to be able to break out of it. So the small cap stocks are also on the go. So this is what we are watching in the markets, the US stock indices that we like to follow. There's one more, which is the New York Stock Exchange Composite. This index is not tradable, but we like to take a look at it because it also includes the ADRs. So those are the American Depository Receipts, so foreign companies trading on the New York Stock Exchange. So it's always a good index to take a look at. I believe there are about more than 2,000 securities listed on this one. What we are also looking at, pretty much similar to what the Dow Jones Industrial is on the futures charts. We are looking at this bigger one-to-one price projection ABCD to come in around 17,200 roughly speaking, and of course this index is also approaching towards its 1.272 expansion, which comes around 16,950 roughly speaking. So another one to watch for as we move towards the key levels that we have been watching for quite some time, and some of these patterns on these indices begin to complete. So this is really important. This is what we like to watch on this channel. So thank you very much for watching, and I wish you happy holidays, and speak soon. Have a great time with family wherever you are. Enjoy and speak soon. Thank you very much. Good luck and good trading.